I know it's been a long time. I don't know where I've been. Don't ask me. We just gonna continue like no break ever happened. We just gonna continue to make videos. We gonna just keep moving accordingly. But who taught us this shit? Who taught us this, man? Can you guys see it? We're gonna talk about it this video. If you can see it, I hope you can see it. I'm gonna make it easier so you guys can see it. But who taught us this? Like, how did we ever get to this point? This is the worst thing imaginable, man. I'm gonna tell you guys why, man. Watch the video, man. Music coming now.
Man, these folk got their hit his shit, no cap.
I bring up hits and they change up the topic. I got a 19 and it fold in my pocket. One hell of a year and the niggas still dropping. They wanted to stop it, but they couldn't stop it. You told a story like
yeah, so what's up, man? This is Level Up with Safare, man. Thanks for watching my videos, man. Thanks for coming back. I don't have anything like, like super specific to tell you guys, man. So this is just gonna be like a little rant. This is just something that I've been thinking about, man. I've been like doing a couple of things the last couple of weeks, trying to get things in order, man. And this is one of the thoughts that I always had, man. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the P stands for pay, right? I'm trying to get my arm on it the right way. P stands for pay. You know what hours is, and that equals your self-worth, self-value, man, your value. Why is that, man? The thing is, man, it's crazy because whatever your P, your salary, your pay, can only be multiplied by the amount of hours there are in a day. There's only 24 hours in a day, man. So it's only so many hours you can work in a day. There's only so much money you can make. So if you want to make more money, if you want to be successful, everybody I know who has a Lamborghini or has some dope, they don't have like a regular, situation where this is what they're limited by. This is what they have to go off of, man. This is the recipe of disaster, Because look, all right, say you want to make more money. What would you do? You can get paid more, right? You can get paid more. Everybody can get a little raise, a little something, a little here and there, a little bit more sprinkle. But then you're still limited by how many hours there are in a day, right? Right? Yeah, so even if you make a crazy amount of money, man, you can never say it's limitless. You can't make the same amount of money as somebody who doesn't fit into this equation. Because, all right, cool, you make $20 an hour now, right? You want to make $40 an hour. That's doubling your money. That's $40 an hour. That's not that much. But that's doubling your money. Who can do that in a single bound, man? Who can do that? Who can just double their money, Just doing the same job but just double their pay. Just like, I want to make double what I'm making right now. Nah, man, you get the little 5%, 2%, 10% if you're lucky, if something happened or whatever, but you still only getting paid times whatever, the hours that you work. So you still kind of like in shackles. All right, somebody can say, all right, cool, I don't even need to make more money, or I can make more money and I can work more hours. Then that's taken away from your freedom. How many hours you want to work? Even if you work 8 hours today and you want to work 6 hours or 16 hours tomorrow, you still only can work a certain amount of hours. There's nobody you can't work 50 hours in a day. Nobody can do that. So you're still limited by this equation, and this is crazy. Like, you're paying your hours, that determines your self-worth and your value. This doesn't even, like, this is the worst thing ever. Like, who taught us this? Like, kids got this? Like, did they teach us this as a kid? Like, get a job, you work hard, you 8 hours. Like, why are we working 8 hours a day? Like, why do we even work 8 hours a day? Who determined that is the right amount of time, like, to work? Like, who? Like, who? Like, your pay and your hours, that determines your self-worth, your value, what you're worth. Like, that's what what you're taxed on. This is your value. This is a number. This is ridiculous. This is the worst thing ever, man. You gotta break this. And I don't know, most people are like, all right, how do you break it? How do you break it, Safare? All right, hold on, man. Hold on. Let me grab this. Hold on, man. All right, so I created this. Oh, man. Beep. All right, we back. All right, so we're going to do knowledge, man. This is the new equation. This is the way you should live your life. This is the way you should do everything. This is the way you should strive and act accordingly, man. This is it. This is it. I'm gonna break it down for you guys real quick, man. This is gonna be a quick video. I'm not gonna do too much. Like I said, man, this is just a rant. I don't have a lot of new information because everything that I'm trying to show you guys, I want to implement it. I want to do it myself. I want to test it out. I know the hat is messed up. I know the hat is off. I don't care, man. I'm keeping the hat, man. We can go buy another hat, but we keeping it. We're gonna rock with this hat. But anyway, wait, before we go on, like, with this, comment down below what you think your value is. I don't care what type of situation you want to put it in. If your value is worth $100 an hour, $1,000 an hour, $1 million an hour, a new house every day, a new car every day, to be happy, whatever you think your value is, comment down below, man, so I can see what's going on. I want to see what everybody think, and I want to see what everybody who's watching my videos the mind state that they're in, man. So comment down below. I'm gonna do it like this. You comment down below your value, whatever you think you're worth, and I'll send you guys something for free, man. I'll send you guys something else that I'm working on, some dope that I was gonna like package up and put together, you know, as maybe something I would sell. But comment down below, and I'm gonna send you guys. Comment down below your value and your email address, and I'll send it to you. I'll email it to you within the next 48 hours, man. Let's go. But anyway, value, what you're worth to the universe, what everybody should automatically see on top of your head if this is a video game. It should be your knowledge, it should be the action that you take, and then your experience. All that together should equal your value. If you know a lot, if you want to get paid more, if you want to be more valuable, learn. If you can learn everything in this goddamn world, but if you don't take action, all that knowledge is going to waste. So you got to have both. You got knowledge, you take action, but you don't know what you're doing yet. You still don't know how to put everything together. That's why you need experience, man, because everybody going to make mistakes. You can start the perfect business right now. You can start doing everything that you're supposed to do. You can make videos, you can do Facebook ads, you can have a great product, you can have marketing, you can do everything you're supposed to, or know how to do everything that you're supposed to do. But if you don't have any experience, all that is a waste. What if you have knowledge and you have experience, but you're not taking action? So your value isn't going to be what you expect it to be. You take action with experience, but you just out there just throwing rocks at the lake, man. You don't even know what you're doing. So you need all of this together, man. This is it. Knowledge, action, experience. This is your value. This is what you should get paid for. If you want to get paid more in life, increase your knowledge. If you think you got all the knowledge that you need, if you got to the point where you done read every book that you ever wanted to read, you got all the understanding, you know everything that you're supposed to know in your niche, take action. If you got knowledge, you take action, and you still not, your value isn't where you think it should be, you need experience, so you got to keep doing it, man. Don't ever stop, man. Keep it going, man. This level up with Safare. Keep grinding. Keep grinding. I know I did a little funny things in this video. I know I put songs in it, but this is serious. Let's go. Let's get it. Comment down below whatever you want to comment. Like the video. Subscribe. I'm putting out videos constantly. I'm back. Let's go. Let's get it. No song after this. This video is just ending. I'm sorry. Let's go. Let's get it. Bye.